So we've just come from the suspension bridge at the Murrindindi Scenic Reserve, and we're heading towards Wilhelmina Falls right now. To Wilhelmina Falls, that way. Yeah, we're wearing our masks because they're still mandatory here in Victoria. Your glasses and my glasses are fogged up. It's not too bad. This mask is quite nice. It's the same one I brought to the Philippines in February, and she's just got a new one there, reusable. Not too bad. But, oh yeah, there are two. Oh, that's very cute. They're under the picnic table. Bye guys! It was at this point during our walk that we realised we were probably going the long way because the sign didn't say how far it was or how long it might take to get to the falls. Are we doing this walk for nothing? So we turned around and went to the car park viewing area for the falls instead. So yeah, we're at the Wilhelmina Falls viewing area. Where are they? Where are they, Ree? What do you reckon, Ree? They're over there. Alright, let's go take a look. Oh wow! Found them. There they are. Although we saw the waterfall, we wanted to get closer, but we didn't know how to get there. So the next day we got ourselves a map and found a road that would take us closer to the falls. We made it to the Wilhelmina Falls viewing area. We're on the platform right now, but we actually can't see them from here. It's like all of the trees have grown and they've completely blocked the view of the waterfall. Yeah. So I got my drone up and managed to get a shot of the waterfall from above, which was really nice, but yeah, we can't really see it. So the waterfalls are there somewhere. So I'm just really glad at this point that I've got a drone. And finally, after some walking through the bush, we found the waterfall and got a really nice close-up look at it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.